No, it's very simple. It's the right wing which is making this. Entire right wing ecosystem, you'll see BJP supporting handles on social media making these comments. You'll see organizer, Janashakti, all of these people making these, not Janashakti, organizer, making these, videos saying that, oh, Jantar Mantar was, people were abusing there, here nobody's abusing, etc., etc. But it's as simple as this. When you are comparing the two protests and saying that the Jharkhand protest is the legitimate protest and that protest was not, you're doing nothing but justifying, trying to justify very poorly why you were not present at Jantar Mantar and why you're present here. And you see, the interesting thing about this also is that even the BJP and the RSS handles, supporting handles, which are amplifying this narrative, that Ranchi mein BJP is protesting and, look, we are pro-student. There's nothing pro-student in their coverage of the protests. All they are talking about is, oh, Neha Bora should not come to protest. CJP should not come to protest. We don't want any political party to come to protest. Why is opposition doing this, doing that? Why are you talking about that? Why are you talking about who should not come? Why are you talking about Muslims are not welcome in this protest? Why are you not talking about the fact that the people who are sitting on hunger strike are sitting there in pathetic sanitary conditions? They have only one public washroom which everybody is forced to use. Why are you not talking about the fact that there is absolute failure, health crisis that is happening at Ranchi? People have fever, cough, cold. They're very sick because of the heavy rainfall in Ranchi. Why are you not talking about how people are struggling? Why are you not talking about the TDPL, which is a private agency, which is continuously being given tenders to conduct the JPSC examination, because of which paper leaks and mismanagement are happening? Why are you not talking about that? Why, even in your pro-student movements, you cannot help but denigrate one section of the society and not stand with the other section of the society that you're yourself supporting, It's so funny. We took out a march in Ranchi. It was a march to the Vidhan Sabha, and it was in solidarity with the demands of the students that were sitting on protest in Jaipal Singh Munda Stadium. This one person who is associated with the BJP, you check out his profile, you check out his interviews, he's defending BJP RSS, he's a supporter, he's a bhakt of that manner. So this guy, he throws ink at me, and to justify his criminal act, what does he do? He raises a religious slogan. He says, Jai Shri Ram. And then the BJP IT cell is hailing him. It is so sad that you are throwing ink at people who are in solidarity with the movement that you are saying you are championing, right? So this happens to the BJP RSS because they don't know what it means to be pro-student. They don't know